Welcome. If you've noticed that some of your custom comments on Instagram are getting hidden when you use the app on your PC, you're not alone. The latest Instagram update introduced new ways to manage which comments appear on your posts, but sometimes it hides comments you actually want to see. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to prevent Instagram from hiding your custom comments, all from your desktop. First, make sure you're logged into your Instagram account on your PC. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the one labeled More. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or dots. This will open up a list of additional options. From the menu, select Settings. This is where you can control many aspects of your Instagram experience, including how comments are managed on your posts. In the Settings menu, find and click on Hidden Words. Instagram uses this section to help you filter out unwanted comments and messages, but it's also where some custom comments might accidentally get hidden. Inside the Hidden Words section, you'll see options related to filtering and hiding comments. Look for the area called Custom Words for messages and comments. Here's where the magic happens. If you've previously added any custom words or phrases that you wanted to filter, Instagram might be hiding comments containing those words, even if you don't want it to. To prevent Instagram from hiding these comments, simply turn off the Hide Comments option under your custom words list. This ensures that comments containing your specified words will now appear normally on your posts and messages. You can also review and edit your custom word list here, so only the comments you truly want to filter out stay hidden. And that's it. By following these steps, you can take back control and make sure Instagram only hides the comments you want it to. Enjoy engaging with your audience without missing out on important or positive messages. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips to make the most of your Instagram experience.